Hi, I'm here to share great news with you. Now, continuous glucose monitoring is available over the counter. You don't need a prescription, especially if you are non-diabetic. Two companies are approved by FDA to produce and sell without a prescription continuous glucose monitors. One of the companies is Dexcom, which used and continues to produce prescription sensor G7. Now it has this monitor for indicated for people with diabetes, but who don't use insulin. And also, this is suitable for everyone else who just would like to improve their metabolic health and move from insulin resistance to insulin sensitivity. It is called Stelo, and it is available for purchase right now. Cost $99 for two sensors. Each sensor lasts for 15 days. So 1 month supply, $99. And then Abbott, the maker of Libre Freestyle sensor, is now making Lingo. Lingo is intended specifically for non-diabetic, for all health-oriented people who would like, again, to monitor their glucose levels in real time without pricking their fingers, and they can do it for $89. Again, two sensors for 1 month. Each sensor though lasts for 14 days. Abbott, the maker of Freestyle, Libre, and Linga, is actually going to bring to the market one more sensor. It is called Libre Rio, and that sensor, the same as Stelo from Dexcom, is intended for people with diabetes. But again, all these sensors are suitable for everyone who wants to monitor their glucose level and make themselves healthier. What is the big difference between two sensors? I have experience with Abbott sensors. I used to have Libre, but I don't have experience with this particular, Linga is based on Libre 3, Freestyle 3. I only use Libre Freestyle 2 version, and I never use this one. So I'm very excited to try both sensors and see how they work for me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to attach each sensor on one sensor on one back of my arm and one sensor to the other back of the arm. So I will have two sensors, and in my next video, I will attach them, and then we will follow to see how they work and how they display the results. So this is all new to me because I never used the software that comes with the sensor. So the applications, it's totally different, and the range of measurement is also different from a regular prescription sensor. I'm talking about Libre, with which I have experience. So there is no big difference from what I understand. The only difference is like really the range of measurement is different. For example, Stella measures the milligrams per deciliter of glucose in the blood from 70 to 250, while Linga has different range from 55 to 200. And also Stella reads every 5 minutes and Linga reads every minute. So, but for people who don't have diabetes and don't need to know exact numbers, it's just for your education to see which food spikes your glucose level. And we want to have steady glucose levels. So this is a really great tool to have a dialogue with your body. You put something in your mouth, you eat food, and you see how your body reacts. And why we want to do that? We cannot just ask somebody to do it for you, because we all have different responses for different foods. For example, when I eat an apple, I do not have a spike. When my husband eats an apple, he has a spike. And maybe there are foods that he eats and he reacts without like high spikes. And when I eat, I will have a spike. I don't know that, because my glucose levels are a little bit more stable, but that's how we are. We all are different, and we have different reactions on different foods and the combination of food, and the way how we eat food, in which order we eat them, what time of the day we eat them, the quantities we eat, and so on. So those are beautiful tools for you to speak directly with your body. So it's actually a dialogue. It's not like you only listens to your body through the sensor, because you have an input, like directly input. You put food in your mouth and the sensors respond. So that's really great news, because you could not get the sensors unless you have a prescription or through the third-party vendors who will sell you Libre Freestyle sensor with their software, but the price will be 2 to 2.5 times more. But even so, it was maybe it was worse for some people just to have 1 month of this monitoring to see how your body works, just to get a feel of it. Of course, it's better to have sensors every now and then, because we change all the time and our body changes, our responses change. We make some adjustments, we fast, or we just eat more carbs, less carbs, and so on. So beautiful tool, and I'm very, very happy for everyone who is interested in learning more about themselves, in improving their metabolic health, and having a real-time dialogue with their bodies. So in next video, we will do, I will show how to attach. I have to learn it myself first, because never do it with Dexcom product, and with Abbott products. I have experience, but I have to refresh my memory. So that would be fun. So again, congratulations to everyone who is interested in trying those nice sensors. They are available, and you can order them and try for yourself.